Choosing the right technology today can feel overwhelming. With so many options, cloud, AI, automation, it's tough to know what truly fits your business. That's where Nexus comes in. Our technology advisory services help you build a clear, step-by-step tech strategy. We start with digital transformation. That means using technology to streamline your operations, reduce manual work, and create better experiences for your customers. Next, we explore AI adoption. Think smarter insights, predictive tools, and automation that works behind the scenes to save you time. Even small businesses can benefit from these tools when applied with the right use case. And of course, we guide you through cloud initiatives, from deciding what to move, to choosing the right platforms, and making sure it scales as you grow.